Woo, it's steamy hot here in Connecticut, 90s, humid, but nothing like San Fran. Was 10 over 106. I hear Naples, Florida down there 107 the other day. But and we got a fan of ours in Utica, New York, Chef. He said you got to do some Utica Riggies. So I looked it up, and sure enough, you know, it's an actual dish. I love regional cooking, you know, like, you know, it's something you never heard of outside of probably that area. So here's what it is. We're doing Utica Riggies. I'll look up his name. I have to hunt it down. But so we're gonna do some salt and pepper. I got some chicken already cut up, nice pieces. Okay. So that goes in. We're going to rinse off. Utica Riggies. So we're going to try to get this dish done by the time it takes to cook the pasta. Okay, Glenn?
Sounds good.
So we need a little bit of bell pepper. It says like you know, kind of julienne. Nice strips. Hey B, you got any tomatoes opened up?
No.
You don't need any?
No.
Okay, so we're going to cut the onion just like the ribs. Okay, so that's going in. Utica Riggy, here we go. Hey, Metal, can you grab me some more Parmesan? Garlic. Hey, B. You know what I need from you? I need some, the cherry peppers. A bit of cherry pepper. I don't have my mise en place set up for me yet. Just a few. Glenn, this dish is a spicy dish. I mean, one recipe called for like some serious like chili oil. Oh boy! But it's basically just hey, Metal.
Yeah.
You do me one big favor again.
Yeah. I'll do it too.
Grab me a can of those whole tomatoes. Those Alta Cucina. I think that's going to separate the men from the boys in this dish. Thank you. What I need is that red tomato sauce. You can give me one of those would be? Yeah. Oh, I got some on the line. White wine? Oh boy. That breathing, that's almost like breathing a jalapeno. Almost like a vodka sauce. Heavy cream. Calls for a lot of Parmesan. So that's a lot of green onions before and after. What I'm going to do, a little bit of alta cucina, a little bit of fresh, the can. I love these right out of the can. I've said it a million times.
Yeah.
And what I do is when I cook the chicken, probably a little pasta water. We're going to cook the pasta for like 3/4, and we're going to finish it. The whole key is let it soak up some of that flavor. Oh yeah. But what I'm going to do, a little something special here, a little bit of red pepper flake. Because, we're not scared. We're not scared of heat. But I think I got enough here for probably 2 orders. So I might reserve a little bit for that special customer. A little bit more. A little bit more cream. Man, this is like Utica, New York. I mean, this is huge. Chicken's ready, B. There you go. I'll give you that right there, too. That's the whole deal, is let it really cook down nicely. There's my veteran skillet. That's got a little bit of, we had to bang that back a few times. That's what happens when, I'm not going to say it too loud, but it's kind of like novices cooks. They keep the fire on it too hot. So that, without putting oil and everything on it, so the pans warp up, or they take one super hot and bang it into the sink. It bends. But that's just between us. Not mentioning any names. I'm going to save a little bit of this for later. What do you think, Glenn?
I think so.
Paula coming down?
She is.
Okay. So, put the pasta in there. I know it's got probably a little bit of time to cook. That's why I'm going to put a little bit of pasta water still. You know what? I can't short this dish out. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just cover this and slow cook it for about another 5 minutes. Should be ready. my friend Dave. Best handyman in America right here. You know what? You know what's the old saying, Glenn?
What's that?
When you work, you get to eat. Right, brother?
Yeah.
That built me a deck. He's a one-man wrecking crew. But here we got this. It's called Utica Riggies. A lot of cheese. A lot. Basically vodka sauce is hopped up. It's a hopped up vodka sauce, and you add more cheese into it, really thickens everything up. It's got cherry. You like hot spicy food, Dave? A little bit? Nah.
Yeah, I'm Italian, yeah.
So it's got some cherry peppers in it. I put some whole tomato, cream, onions, peppers, garlic. I'm going to hear it from all these chefs in Utica if I don't get this recipe right. Because they don't play up there in Utica. It's too cold up there. Got the chicken. Got the cherry pepper, see? I chopped a little bit. The chicken I cooked right into the sauce. I mean, all right, and then missing everything but the green onions. There we go. You know what? This Ricky, we're gonna do a little special, Glenn. Excuse me 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it the old emerald touch. Right? All right, Dave. Choose your weapon. Come on in. Loaded with flavor. Huh?
Delicious.
He was sold because Rob, our electrician,
Out of this world.
brought Dave in. And Rob, he can't get off of that chicken Alfredo. Now he's got Dave hooked on it. That's the only thing he's ever eaten when he comes in. Now I'm afraid he's going to want me to make this for him now.
Oh, I had pizza here. It was excellent.
Let's try the chicken. See, that's the whole key, is keep it on the thinner side. Let that pasta finish cooking in it. Yep. Wow. What do you think, Dave? Winner? Winner chicken dinner?
Yep, winner.
I like this here. I saw somebody do this the other night. With a rigatoni on a fork.
Got me sold.
One more bite. That's all the doctor said I could have. One more bite. That's it. Last one.
I know Sharon's Karen, but can I have the rest?
Yeah, it's all yours.
It's Daddy Jack's over the blues, man. We can't do it without the workers of America right here, man. They allow it to go unnoticed. Well, you know what? When you get work done for you at a reasonable price, hard-working people, that's what built this country. God bless America. 4th of July, tomorrow. God bless America. Peace. Love you.